In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings, hit display and scroll all the way down. Then hit auto rotate screen and either use this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it, or disable auto rotation to use this feature called screen rotation button. To turn it on or off, hit switcher next to it, then follow all of those instructions below it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!